Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can use Divi Tabs module. Let me log in into our website, and after that let's enable Divi Viewer Builder. And now we can add a new section. As here you can see, this is Divi Gallery. Now let's add a new section for the Divi Tabs. Search for tabs. And then here you can see this is by default content. Now there are two tabs, and if you want to add more tabs, just click here, duplicate, and here you can see now these are three tab titles. Now if you want to change the content for each tab, just you can click on the settings, and after that let me copy some text from here and add here. Here you can see title is replaced. Also we can change this content. Okay, now here you can see content is replaced. Then click here and again scroll up. Now in the same way you can change content for each tab. For example, we can change tab title 2, and the last one is tab title 3. After that scroll down. Here we can link this module with any page. Then also we can add some background color. Here you can see this is the background color. So whatever color you want to add, let me remove this. Now let's go to design tab, then body text. Here you can change text font, font weight, font style, as well as you can align content according to your requirement. Also here you can see text color options. Just if you want to change text color, here you can see just I selected the color and it is changed. And now scroll down. Here you can increase font size. Then scroll down. Here you can see these are some typography options. You can increase the line height, add some shadow. Then this is tab text. Click here and here you can change the background color. For example, I want to add some background color. So this is for the active tab. And if you want to change the background color for inactive tab, for example this one. So these are various color options that you can use. Now scroll down and this is for the text color. Above that was background color. Alright, so white color text looks more beautiful. And also you can change tab font text, as well as you can add shadow. Then here you can see the sizing, spacing, and also you can add some border box shadow and then animations. So let's save, and after that now exit Viewer Builder. Then scroll down and let's see how it works. Just click here, tab 2. So here you can see each tab title has different content. In the next video we will discuss how to use templates for these tabs.